what they do, Daddy? What it is, Daddy?
Look, take a picture right there, Daddy.
Fire truck.
Fire truck.
Come here, Daddy. Turn around.
See?
Turn around, Daddy. Joe.
He worked on that. Look, Daddy, fireman. That's a fireman right there, Daddy. Yeah. Okay, so let you get in, Daddy. Yeah, fire truck.
Go ahead, Daddy.
He seen you guys pull up. He said, fire truck, ambulance. Yeah.
Go ahead, Daddy.
Come on, Daddy.
Yeah, fat boy.
Fire truck.
Yeah, Daddy. Big boy.
Yeah, Daddy.
Big boy Joe.
Your first time in fire truck. Yay! You gonna take that one off and put the other one off?
Yeah, Daddy.
Thank you. Oh, Daddy.
Oh. Put it back on that rug, Daddy.
Yay, fireman. Yay, Daddy.
Yeah, big boy. Yeah.
Papa, where's you going? They gotta get back to work. You say thank you to the fireman?
Say thank you, Daddy. Give him five.
He was so excited.
Give him five.
Y'all came on that corner.
Thank y'all very much,
They gotta
man.
get back to work.
Appreciate it. Gotta go to work, Daddy.
Saving more stuff, Daddy.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah, Daddy. Put your hat on. Put your hat.
Yeah, Daddy.
They gotta go make that money on. Come on.
See, they be back, okay?